What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to embed an interactive Google Maps on your Wix website. So here I have Google Maps opened and I have like a landmark set here for the Statue of Liberty in the United States. And what you want to do is to search for your landmark, or simply just click anywhere on the map here. Let's say I'll just click on a random point on the map, and here you can have the option to share, and in the share menu here select embed map. Here you have the link, we'll get to that in a second. You can select your map size, small, medium or large. So a small map will be the size, a medium map, let's say a medium map. And now I have the HTML code, copy the code here. And let's go to our Wix. Here I have my Wix website. Let's say I want to add the maps to this site here, the my site 10. Just click on edit site. And here you have the website opened in the website editor. Now click on the plus icon here to add an element. Then go to embed and social. Embed a code. And now the section will be added. Now here it is, the section. Now enter the code here. Click on enter code. Now paste the code that you copied from Google Maps, and then update. And wait a couple of seconds. And it should generate your Google Maps in this frame right here. Here it is. Now this map is interactive, you can interact with it here. And to test it out, go here to preview your site and click on, scroll down here, and you can use the command key and drag to interact with the map, and you can zoom in and out and interact with the map on your Wix website.